Innovative, best-in-class solutions. Unparalleled customer service. World-class manufacturing. The Bucket Shop. With over 2 decades of service and a growing client list that looks like the who's who of mining, the one name that industry professionals turn to when the boss walks in with that inevitable memo that says, "We need to improve our bottom line," the next phrase is, "Call the Bucket Shop." If you or your companies are excavating, reclamating, or moving earth, you need to put our number on speed dial. It's our mission to improve life cycles. Our innovative solutions increase productivity, and we have the results to prove it.
So what we have here today is the latest revisions to the TBS 85 and the TBS 42 Hyper heel castings. We've taken the standard heel casting and we've incorporated a 700 Burnell white iron puck to the middle. So we have a 350 Burnell casting with a 700 Burnell puck in the middle, which has improved the life cycle of these components by 3 to 4 times. These castings are available in 3 different sizes, and it's what's propelling us forward within the export market today.
Literally bursting at the seams in our old location, we are thrilled to be moved into our state-of-the-art 65,000 square foot world headquarters in Timmins, Ontario.
We're happy to be in. It's been a long road, and so now we're in the process of commissioning equipment and seeing everybody kind of get set up. So we're certainly not running at full blast here yet, but we're well on our way.
As you think about sitting down with our team of manufacturing experts dedicated to your bottom line, let's take a few moments to tour our new location, a $15 million investment with one goal in mind: improving your bottom line.
Let's have a look at some of the training that's happening here in the commissioning of the 780-ton brake press. So this is going to give us, Kevin, some abilities to break things, of course, that we've not been able to break in the past. At 780 tons, it's well over double our previous capacity, and this is going to allow us to bend things, 15 feet wide in between the fence with a back gauge, and so it is quite something. And to see this machine actually up and running and what it's capable of doing, and receiving the engineering from the engineering department, downloading it directly to the monitor, and then again being able to take shapes and lines and expand them and come up with flat layout details, that's going to be a big time saver for us here as well. Efficiencies, accuracy, all of that. So looking forward to getting going there. Again, our main fame, or our claim to fame, is not being a machine shop, but it is something that we do, and we do offer these services. And so we do have a milling, horizontal boring mill, vertical boring mill, as well as the lathe. A lot of our line boring will happen in this vicinity as well. So what we've got here is a TBS 900 being full welded for about a 3.5 yard. And again, this front end incorporates the TBS 300 cast lip and all the high wear components that go along with it. Megan's here just putting the final touches on that. How's it going today, Megan?
Good.
Looks great. Awesome. So these are the results. It's these efforts that are getting us the results in the 3 and 4 times the life cycle and putting those new numbers on the board. So this continues to be what propels us forward in the Go Global campaign. It's the 2-piece technology coupled with the advancements that we've made in our lip designs and our casting lineup that allow us to differentiate ourselves from our competition so easily.
With our extensive expertise in the mining and construction industries, we provide our clients with an exceptional service that is dedicated and affordable. We keep our rates low and our products of the highest possible quality. Timelines are very important in today's mining climate. At the Bucket Shop, we believe in having popular OEM units built for stock. CAT, Atlas Copco, Sandvik, Artisan, and Muckmaster buckets are coming and going every week. Just a few of the OEMs we work with on a weekly basis.
So it's a big part of the reasoning that supports why would we go and buy a 100-foot pattern cutter? Why would we buy a 780-ton brake presser? Why on earth would you need a roll that can roll 1 inch on 10 feet? It's all based on the need. Why would we have a 70-ton crane? Well, because if we don't, we know that the work is going further south than Timmins, and there's no need for that.
Our new 65,000 square foot facility was specifically designed to accommodate the overhaul of all types of buckets, from the hydraulic Hitachi 5500 to the CAT 7495 cable shovel. Our heavy bay 70-ton crane ensures we have what it takes to complete your rebuilds in a safe and efficient manner. The Bucket Shop is experienced in the overhaul and new fabrication of all styles of grizzlies, crushers, ore bins, apron feeders, and custom mining type applications. Our engineering department will custom design for your toughest applications. You name it, we'll build it.
But the commitment to customer satisfaction, quality workmanship, quality materials, the commitment to delivering results on the other end. And for us right now, it's about reducing inventory through the two-piece technology. It's about improving the hour meter readings through the implementation and the use of our hyper line of castings. Well, hopefully the facility speaks for itself, and that these guys mean business. Because we mean business. We're here for keeps. We're a family-owned business. We've been in the business since 1990-ish, somewhere thereabouts. I've been involved since about 1993, 94 as a co-op student and never left.
You need to get the most out of your equipment at every stage in its life cycle. The Bucket Shop assessment technicians evaluate and audit your assets on a scheduled basis to provide you with real-time reporting with the goal of ensuring your operators have little to no emergency downtime. We presently provide these services to Dumas, KGHM, Alamos Gold, Goldcorp, and Kirkland Lake Gold.
Export has become a big part of that sales initiative, and while we look to the rest of Canada to create partners to cover off that geography, to try and do it from Timmins and being here in the north, to try and cover off Western Ontario, for example, or if you're going to try and cover off Quebec, you just can't do it alone. And so we've chosen the partnership route, and we've gone out and we've qualified partners which have allowed us to increase our territory using those who are situated in territories that are just outside of our reach. And we've done very well in Quebec. We've done very well in Western Ontario and throughout. And as we now go westward towards the coast, we're trickling into the United States.
We are more than just a manufacturer. We are experts in several fields that affect the day-to-day operations of many of our clients, including underground and on-site field services. Services we provide on-site and off-site include point survey and wear mapping, life cycle planning and costing, condition monitoring and performance analysis, underground welding and bucket repair, wear liner supply and replacement, get management and servicing, maintenance and repair contract agreements, align boring, crusher rebuilds and crusher replacement parts, 24/7 operation for prompt turnarounds, assistance at budget time for managing your needs to forecast the next year's bucket budget. Protection of your fleet's truck beds is critical to higher productivity and reduce maintenance costs. The Bucket Shop truck bed liner kits are engineered and manufactured to exceed OEM standards and custom cut to match each truck bed configuration, minimizing installation and maintenance time. Thanks to our massive 100-foot plasma cutting station, we can provide liner packages for surface and underground mining trucks.
And while we have our Steel Tech arm or division, where that's primarily our boots on the ground and our structural steel offerings here at the shop, we're far more than just buckets. So if this facility was built just in support of buckets, well, maybe there would be something to have checked upstairs. But there's much more to it, and there's much more opportunity attached to having the building. And build it and they will come. That philosophy or that analogy has proven to be so true, because we've seen that already. And we've only, since the building has been up, we weren't even moved in and the phone was ringing. So
one word dominating our culture is commitment. At the Bucket Shop, we are committed to excellence, to safety, to continuous improvement, and to saving our clients time and money with world-class, innovative solutions. What can the Bucket Shop do for your bottom line?